So guys, in this video we are going to talk about this silver towel grip which I've ordered from Amazon, and this grip comes at a price of 70 rupees. So we'll open this. First we will see something. The MRP is printed at 75 and we get this for 70 rupees. So basically I have a Prime subscription, and when I ordered it I got on the same day because the seller is residing in Lucknow. So this is your grip, and you may say that I may not open it. Don't worry, here it is. Here is your grip, the silver grip, as you can see. So they give you, I think, orange color, blue color, pink color, and this black color. So when we hold it in our hands, so it's not really smooth. The essence is not really smooth. So if you are a professional player, first of all I would not recommend you to buy this towel grip if you are looking for a long lasting impression from this grip, because it won't last long, and plus it is not very smooth. So for a professional player, they want good feel in their hands. So for the feeling and all, this is not for you. You can surely go for Yonex one, which will cost you around 135 rupees. Then we talk about the thing. This is very greasy, and this will look very greasy when you will maybe you can play with this for around 1 to 2 weeks. And if you are really sweating very much, if you are a hard sweater like me, maybe it will last for 1 week. After that it will be very greasy on the grip. So one thing what you can do is you can just keep it in the sun so it can dry. That is one way, and the other way is maybe you can wash it, but I would not recommend you to do that. You can surely keep it in the sun to soak everything out of it, to dry it very nicely. That is one thing. Plus I would recommend you to, if you are looking for perfection, if you're looking for a great grip, if you are looking for softness, and if you are looking for something which is you can say which will last for a long time, you can go for Yonex one, which will cost you 140 rupees. But as I said, this costed me 70 rupees. So if your budget is less, you want to try a towel grip, this is for you. You can try it and see how it goes. I am a big time sweater. I sweat a lot doing my plays, so this is very good for me, because when you are playing with the racket and you are there with the normal grip, so your hand will slip with this, so you won't have perfection and the control on your shots. So you can use this towel grip for that thing. Now I have used this towel grip, the silver towel grip, in other racket. This grip was used in my college days, and I used it for around 6 months. And you can see how it is looking. It's so dirty. You can't even wash it. It's very dirty. But surely you won't get this thing in a Yonex grip. It will be very greasy, but not as greasy as this looks. So if budget is a problem, and if you just want to try your hands as a towel grip and maybe see that if you're sweating, how about a grip if you hold a towel grip and all. And also towel grip gives you great you can say great grip, so you're smashing and all, it's really good. And if it is good in your hands, the control in your hands will be also very good. So you can try the towel grip in that case also. Now this was the take for 6 to 8 months use of this grip. Now I will use this grip and then review it after 1 week of play, and then see how it is looking. Hi guys, so back with the review. So after using it for 1 month, and after using this Apex racket grip, the silver grip, for 2 weeks, I have got with this review. So basically I play indoors with this racket and outdoors with this Apex racket, but there is not much difference in the grip. You can see the grip is very hard. So there may be a problem. The problem may be that you might develop these type of pores in your thumb, these type of, and they hurt a lot. Reason being, you exert a lot of pressure on your thumb like this. So these things, these rough you can say furs, they disturbs you a lot and they might hurt you. So the basic thing is, when you play with this and if you sweat a lot, you may need to just dry it in the sun. But if you dry it, there may be a problem that your strings may broken, because the sunlight is not good for your strings. So that's up to you. And in this racket, this is very wet. I play outdoors, so in outdoor conditions I sweat a lot, so it's very greasy type. And this is very rough, because in indoors we may not develop much of sweat, but this is a bit rough, and this is very greasy. So for 75 rupees, that's good. If you want to experiment with your grip, you can do that, but I would recommend you to buy Yonex grip. This is surely not for you. I will surely give you a link in the description of the Yonex grip. You can check it out. But also, if experiment is your way to go ahead, you can go with this. You can experiment at how this towel grip works with your racket. Plus, with the towel grip, you can also purchase a grip powder. I will also give you a link in the description. You can check it out. And also you can check it out a video of a grip powder. I have already reviewed it, so you may understand that applying a grip powder on these type of grips, that will also work wonders for you. So hope you like my video. If you did like, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more of these badminton related stuffs in the future as well. So stay tuned for more. Bye bye for now.